Hello, this is Mrs. Pullen again. This is Unit 4, Day 5 on complex fractions, and I'm going to show you how to do problem number 7 in two different ways. So the first method is to treat this like a division problem. This horizontal line means to divide, so I can rewrite this expression as 1 plus 4 over x plus 3 over x squared divided by 1 minus 9 over x squared. So it's a three-step process at this point. We're going to add the fractions with uncommon denominators first, and then we're going to add the second expression which have uncommon denominators, and then we're going to treat it like a regular division problem. So the LCD in the first parentheses would be x squared because all terms, 1x and x squared, could go into x squared evenly. And I would then need, I'm just going to get a different color marker. If I'm saying that the LCD here would be x squared, then I'm going to have to multiply this by x squared over x squared, this by x over x, and this one I wouldn't have to do anything to. I would combine like terms. Well, it's nothing alike, but I would at least put them together in the numerator. And now let's go to the second fraction. The LCD here is x squared as well. So this would become x squared minus 9. And then I could do that keep change flip thing. So the first expression stays how it is. But then this would become a multiplication. And I would flip the second fraction. I can now factor all the pieces. And reduce the common terms. I would multiply across, and my final answer would be x plus 1 over x minus 3. I'm now going to show you another method of doing that same problem. So again, I'm looking at the other problem. So this is the second method of doing the same problem. And actually, I'm just going to clear this, put this on hold and clear the screen so you could see it better. Okay, so I'm going to show you a second method of doing the same problem. And I'm just going to rewrite the problem where each term is expressed as a fraction. So that first one would be 1 over 1. And for the denominator, that first term would be 1 over 1 as well. Now, this is the LCD method, and what you do with this method is you find the LCD of all terms, so of all 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 terms. So in this case, the LCD of all 5 terms would be x squared. And now we're going to multiply, making sure we're multiplying all of the terms just by x squared. We now reduce the common terms, so there's nothing to reduce here, but one of the x's reduces here, and both x squareds reduce here. Nothing reduces here, and the x squareds reduce there. This becomes x squared plus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 9. We then factor the numerator and factor the denominator, and our final answer is x plus 1 over x plus 3, like in the first problem. I hope that helps.